This tire is actually from a bicycle that has been recovered from the bottom of the harbor sea, and it is in better condition than the tire on the bike currently by a long shot. So that's recycling.
The idea with Repair Cafe is if we can teach people how to fix stuff, then they don't need to throw them away. So basically we're trying to contribute to the circular economy, also empowering people so that they can fix their own stuff without having to depend on someone else to do it for them. These ones are not too bad to work on, actually, because you can see they have screws.
Yeah.
Some of the new ones are completely glued together.
Oh.
So you have to heat them up, and it's kind of what we're trying to show people here is that they don't have to be on this wheel of just consumerism, just buying new stuff all of the time. And also to sort of empower people that they as consumers have a lot of force in the marketplace. So if they continue to accept buying products that are just going to be obsolete in a year or two or are not repairable, we need them to remember that they actually have a lot of power because they have the money. Trying to see if the tire itself is damaged or not. It looks like it's okay, right? I'm hoping that what we're doing here will remind people that repair is still an option, and buying secondhand and these kind of things are a more sustainable alternative to this sort of like buying new stuff kind of consumer culture.